Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware compatibility and wiring because a bad connection wastes time. Make sure the GPS module is UART capable, powered correctly, and that TX/RX are crossed to the flight controller UART. Once done, pick an unused UART number and keep that in mind for Betaflight ports. Use solder or secure connectors now. Test power with a multimeter. This step ensures data can flow, which is why wiring and correct voltage are critical before moving into software configuration. Now you configure Betaflight so the flight controller understands the GPS stream. In ports, enable GPS on the UART you wired, set the protocol to GPS and save. Next, in configuration, choose the provider, UBX if available, otherwise NME, and match the GPS module baud rate, often 9,600 or 38,400. Save and reboot the board to apply changes. Once rebooted, head to the GPS status tab. You should soon see satellites and an update rate. This confirms correct protocol. Complete the setup by taking the craft outdoors for a 3D fix. You need line of sight to enough satellites, so be patient. Once you have a fix, set home position and enable GPS-dependent modes such as GPS rescue or return to home, and tweak minimum satellite and update trait parameters for reliability. If it fails to lock, make sure wiring is correct, the UART selection matches ports, and the antenna has clear sky view. As a troubleshooting tip, swap in a known good GPS to isolate module versus configuration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.